guys, I'm Delora, and today we have tutorial number 10 in our small guide about belly dance. In these 10 weeks we have discovered with you many small and interesting movements, so I believe that you have now basic imagination about belly dance and about its technique. Today I am not in oriental clothes, but it's okay because it's enough to show you one more movement, and this is your request. One of the most often requests that I have ever received from you in Instagram and Facebook. It's about hair toss. We will have figure 8 with hair, and it will look like this: right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. What we do? We stand in vertical position, and let's discover point by point. So we stand and we start. Our head goes to the right shoulder, in front, back, left shoulder, in front, back. Follow me, let's do it. Right, in front, back. Left, in front, back. Right, in front, back. Left, in front. I show you from the back. Follow me. So right, in front, back. Left, in front, back. Right, in front, back. Left, in front, back. Now let's combine. In half of the round we do right, in front, back, left, in front, back, right, in front, back, left, in front, back. And now one by one. So right, in front, back, left, in front, back, and right, and left, and right, and left. And now one by one I go a little bit more far for you to see. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Great, I wish it was useful for you. I wish that this lesson you will use in your practice also, and that it will help you to improve your belly dance and improve your performances with the technical skills. So we have finished our 10 classes, we have finished our series, but I don't say you goodbye, I say you see you in DRUM-MATIC belly dance course, which will be started in October, and more details will be launched very soon. If it's interesting for you to take part in this course, just put plus in the comments under the video. I will wait for your questions, I will wait for your requests, and see you in DRUM-MATIC belly dance